Hi, I'm Liz from Spotahome.com and we are on Nogueira Pallaresa Street. It's a 5-bedroom apartment, it's a very nice place. And we are on the first floor. So here you have the stairs. Oh, here is the entrance. So for now we will visit only the bedroom number 4 because all the rest are busy. So here's the bedroom number 1. That is exterior. Here is the bathroom. So you have a washing machine and dryer. Here's the toilet, the sink, and the shower. And here you have the window to the patio. So here is the view that you have when you are in bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2. Here is the kitchen. So you have the stove, the oven, coffee machine, the sink, the fridge, microwave, a window here, and so here the dishes and some stuff. Here more dishes. So you have a fridge over here, and you have another one in the living room. Here's the bedroom number 5. That is interior. Here is the number 2. So here is the living room. So we have a dining table, a couch, another fridge here, and the TV screen in front. Bedroom number 3 and 4 are exterior to the street, and they share a balcony. Both of them are double, have a desk and a wardrobe. Here. And so here is the balcony. It's really nice. So it's almost a peatonal street, so you don't have much noise. And so that's it. So I hope that you liked it, and see you soon on Spotahome.com. Ciao!